folks, how are we going today? Just an update on my parsley and how it's going. It is more than a year and a half old now, and I have picked so much off it, it's just ridiculous how much has come off it. And root system is pretty black, still going well though. That's the root system on it. So the bottom half is the water intake, top half is the air. It's a bit black. It is going quite well still. So yeah, I'm quite happy with it. As you can see just there, a lot of new shoots coming on. And that's just in a small gravy container. So I thought I'd just give you a quick update on it and how it was going. So I'll leave it at that, folks. Have a nice day and I shall catch you later. Don't forget, please subscribe, comment, like,